Winter Garden Progress Update. So this is the continuation, and this is the garden or the pavement you are going to see right now, friends. That is the outside of my lawn garden. Actually, this is just a way going to the side garden, and most of the pots have been painted. Some are to be painted still, so the process is still on. Gardening process is never off. Actually, something or the other keeps happening all the time. So you must have seen this lawn area so many times, and the basic structure remains the same, friends, but the change comes in the detailing. So what you are taking out, what new you are putting up, according to the season, according to the weather conditions. So a little bit of changes keep happening, like this lantana. This is from the summer garden and is still blooming. Maybe this is now the flowers will start getting smaller, so it will have to be pruned later on. These are liliums, and they are doing good, and even at this stage it is a pleasure to see these liliums. It is such a wonderful plant, and the little birdie is sitting there, ceramic bird, of course. And the process is always on. So for a gardener, gardening is never over. You can't say that my gardening is done now. It is never done. So it is always in the process. This rose garden, I did the pruning last week, and you see the new shoots have already started coming up, and some are crisscrossing. So those have to be pinched now, taken out, so that the other healthy branches, or the straight branches, or the branches which give shape to the plant will only remain there. So you see these pinkish and reddish new leaves. It is such a delight to see even these leaves. It gives so much of freshness. These are broccoli plants, friends, and I think after 10-15 days they'll start giving fruits. And this is like this is my roof area. So my garden is in a vertical position in my house. Some plants are there on the first floor, second floor, ground floor, side garden, balcony garden, terrace garden. So it is spread all over. And this particular palak, you see, there is kantedar palak which you just saw, is very tasty. One should grow this. This is a lemon plant, and after bringing this pot to the roof area, this is started giving fruits. Otherwise, when it was there on the ground level, it wasn't giving any fruit. So because it gets lots of sunshine here, and open air and open atmosphere, so most of the plants flourish here on the roof. So this is another, I always get thrilled to see my lemon plant. It is very nice. And these baskets, these are actually vegetable crates, and this is of course a grow bag, and these are vegetable crates, and I got them from somewhere. They are not very big, but they are doing a good job. I have planted a lot of things like tomatoes and broccolis, and even so many things, coriander and other leafy vegetables. So many things are there. So this is another addition in my roof garden, friends. This champa growing, and this is the latest addition. This I have got it made. In fact, I also did my work here. The designing is mine, and this is a very good vegetable bed. I have sown some carrot seeds in this. Let's see. And this is from the summer garden, still doing very well. You can notice some bitter gourds hanging here and there. They look so pretty, so beautiful. This is the beauty, actually. When you see your garden growing, doing well, it gives you so much of happiness. So I feel, everybody should put some effort in doing some gardening. So this is that sponge gourd vine, and this is also doing well. I can see 3 4 sponge gourds hanging there. So this also looking nice. And tomato plants are my last actually plants to be sown, because I put the seeds in the soil, and it took quite a lot of time to become seedlings. So these are desi tomatoes and some hybrid quality, and now I'm making seedlings of cherry tomatoes, which are still about, I think, about 2.5 inch to 3 inch. So I'm going to sow them next week, or maybe after 2 3 days only. And this pumpkin vine, is also from summer. Yeah, these are the tomato seedlings. These are cherry tomato seedlings, friends, and they're growing so well. In a small plastic pot, I just put the seeds. In one video, I remember I showed everyone how to take out cherry tomatoes seeds, and these are the same seeds, friends. So this is my pomegranate tree, and doing well. And I have already harvested a few pomegranate, and of course now it will be keep giving me fruits throughout the winter season. So this is how it looks. The weather is so hazy and smoky these days, then one can't really, take good pictures. So anyways, I have tried, and hope you like it. And friends, please, if you like my video, if you are watching it, then please subscribe and press the like button also. This is oregano, friends. Oregano, lately I have been told that the thick-leaved plant is also called oregano, but I think the one I showed you just now is the real oregano.